Welcome back to the channel, your ultimate guide to making the most of your Uber Eats experience. Want to pay for your meals with gas? Today I'm going to show you how to add gas payment option to your Uber Eats account via website. If it's available in your area, let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and go to Uber Eats website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in. Once you are logged in, click on the top left corner on three lines. And from the drop-down menu, select Wallet to go to your payment methods. In one section, you will see an option to add payment method. Here you can typically add credit or debit card. But if cash payment is available in your region, you will see an option for it as well. If cash payment option is available, select it and follow the prompts to confirm your choice. Typically, you might not need to enter additional details, and this option allows you to pay the delivery person in cash. Please note the availability of cash payments varies by location and restaurant. If you don't see the option, it might not be supported in your area. And that's it. If cash payment is available in your area, adding it to Uber Eats is straightforward. Now you can enjoy your meals with a preferred payment method. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy eating!